In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple weekly KPI tracking system in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable way to see what's on track, what needs attention, and what's done, without getting lost in extra clicks or clutter. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log in. If you're new to ClickUp or need the app, there's a link at the very top of the description where you can download it, or head straight to the website. Start by creating a dedicated space so everything KPI related lives in one home. Click Spaces, choose Add Space and name it Weekly KPIs. Keeping a separate space ensures your metrics stay focused and easy to find. Within that space, create folders to match your teams or functions. For example, sales and marketing. This structure helps each group see only the KPIs they own, while leadership can still navigate across folders for a quick pulse check. Inside each folder, create lists for your weekly workflow. A simple setup is this week, at risk, and completed. This week houses what you're actively monitoring. At risk is where you surface anything falling behind or trending below target. And completed is a running archive of wins you can reference for reporting. Next, add one task per KPI. Keep each task laser focused, like weekly revenue target, leads generated, conversion rate, or ad spend versus ROI. Naming each task clearly makes it easy to scan and reduces confusion during updates. Enhance each task with fields to track ownership and timing. Add priority, assignee, due date, and status. Priority shows urgency, the assignee clarifies who's accountable, and due date, often end of week, sets a clear reporting cadence. Status will tie directly into your weekly update rhythm. Set simple statuses to keep your process fast. To do for upcoming updates. In progress while numbers are being collected and analyzed. And completed once the week's entry is locked in. Minimal statuses reduce noise and make the board easier to read at a glance. To monitor progress, use list view for a dense, sortable table of KPIs, or switch to board view to visualize movement through statuses. This is an excellent setup for quick stand-ups. Scan what's on track, flag what's at risk, and celebrate what's completed. Over time, you'll spot trends faster and make better decisions with less manual wrangling. That's it. You now have a simple ClickUp system to track weekly KPIs and report progress without overcomplicating your workflow. Thanks for watching.